How to open WhatsApp location in Google Maps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can open WhatsApp location in Google Maps. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your WhatsApp. Then head over to the chat where there is the location. So after you're there, you'll actually see that the link or whatever you're getting the location on will have coordinates, or will have a link that will redirect you someplace. So by default, sometimes if you just tap on it, it will take you directly to Google Maps. Now if that does not happen, what you can do is you can long press on it and then you can open it on Chrome. After you open it on Chrome, it will redirect you again to your Google Maps. So if it does not do that, you can copy it, paste it on here, and there you can see that Google Maps is better on the app. Then you can tap on continue, and which will redirect you to Google Maps. And that's how you open WhatsApp location in Google Maps. Thanks for watching guys. That is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye.